I can't even look at the scanner. I know I'm wrong, but I just gotta get it back. Just one more trade.
Yeah. 6 a.m. the screens got that pale blue light. Got a whole damn watch list, but it don't feel right. Cause my eyes are glued, man, I'm locked in tight to the one damn name that ruined my last night. Swore I was done, swore I'd walk away, but I saw that pre-market dip, thought this is the play. I went all in and it bled all day. Now I'm stuck here staring, turning cold and gray. This ain't a trade, it's a toxic romance. I hate this ticker, but I'll give it one more chance. Short in the sunlight, long in the night, doing everything backwards, stuck in this fight. I'm just spiraling, yeah, I'm spiraling. This one damn ticker got my head unraveling. Tryna fight a trend, but the trend is traveling. Up without me, down with me, yeah, I'm spiraling. My P&L is bleeding, my whole world is caving in. Missing all the runners that my skin is saving. But I'm stuck right here on this hell I'm paving. Just spiraling, yeah, I'm spiraling. My other monitors flashing, they plus setups, calling that other tickers breaking out a straight up hauling. My phone is blowing up, my trading group is brawling. You seeing this move? Man, I'm busy falling back in love with the pain, I guess. Adding to a loser, man, I'm such a mess. This ain't risk management, it's just a game of chess, where I'm the only pawn, filled with stress. I see the right move, but my hands won't click. This ticker's like a drug, man, it's making me sick. I just wanna break even, need that one last trick, but the hole just gets deeper, brick by brick. I'm just spiraling, yeah, I'm spiraling. This one damn ticker got my head unraveling. Tryna fight the trend, but the trend is traveling. Up without me, down with me, yeah, I'm spiraling. My P&L is bleeding, my whole world is caving in. Missing all the runners that my scan is saving. But I'm stuck right here on this hell I'm paving. Just spiraling, yeah, I'm spiraling. Is this addiction, or is it just pride? Can't admit I'm wrong, but nowhere left to hide. Got this tunnel vision, everything else died. It's just me and this chart, side by side. I hate the stock, but I can't let it go. It's a sick obsession, watching my account blow. This was never the plan, man, I used to know how to cut the loss, how to let it go. I'm just spiraling, yeah, I'm spiraling. This one damn ticker got my head unraveling. Tryna fight the trend, but the trend is traveling. Up without me, down with me, yeah, I'm spiraling. My P&L is bleeding, my whole world is caving in. Missing all the runners that my scan is saving. But I'm stuck right here on this hell I'm paving. Just spiraling, yeah, I'm spiraling. Spiraling. Down, down, down. It's everything for what? For this one damn name. Same time tomorrow, I guess. Damn.
Yeah, I remember that ticker about a week ago, lit up every screen. Man, what a show. Headlines were buzzing, volume through the roof. Everybody screaming out that bulletproof proof. They were chasing green candles, thought it'd never been, swearing this was it, that I would never end. But I've seen this movie, I read this page before, and I was just waiting for them to find the door. Now the crickets are chirping on the forums and threads. All the to the moon boys, they just went to bed. The news anchors moved on, found a shinier car, and now it's just a number, wondering where the buyers are. Support lines are cracking, but nobody hears the sound, cause they're all busy chasing the new talk of the town. They left this one behind like an old summer trend. But that's where my story, my friend, begins. Cause it's a sleepy fade, ain't no fireworks now, just a slow motion river rolling south. All the buyers are ghosts, the volume's drying up. Sipping on my coffee, filling up my cup. I ain't fighting the trend, I'm just riding the slide, letting that red position quietly ride. It's just a slow bleed, easy as a shade, making my day on this sleepy fade. It's not about the panic, it's not about the crash, it's not that sudden, 100-yard dash, it's the slow unwind, the return to me, the prettiest red chart I've ever seen. Every little rally gets sold right back down like the air's letting out of a carnival clown. No drama here, just a simple truth. The party's over and I'm checking out the proof. Yeah, it's a sleepy fade, ain't no fireworks now, just a slow motion river rolling south. All the buyers are ghosts, the volume's drying up. Sipping on my coffee, filling up my cup. I ain't fighting the trend, I'm just sliding the slide, letting that red position quietly ride. Yeah, it's just a slow bleed, easy as a shade, making my day on this sleepy fade. Some folks need the action, the volatility. They wanna get rich by 2:45. They like the battle, the push and the pull, but I just wait till the room ain't full. I wait for the quiet, I wait for the still, when that rock is just a rock rolling back down the hill. Cause it's a sleepy fade, ain't no fireworks now, just a slow motion river rolling south. All the buyers are ghosts, the volume's drying up. Sipping on my coffee, filling up my cup. I ain't fighting the trend, I'm just sliding the slide, letting that red position quietly ride. Yeah, it's just a slow bleed, easy as a shade, making my day on this sleepy fade. This sleepy fade, just writing it down, volume's all gone, back to normal, just a sleepy fade. Paper cuts, all I take is paper cuts. If you ain't cutting losses, you ain't fucking trade with us. Paper cuts, all I take is paper cuts. If you ain't cutting losses, you ain't fucking trade with us. Paper cuts, yeah, paper cuts, yeah, paper cuts, yeah. All I take is paper cuts, yeah, paper cuts, yeah, paper cuts, yeah, paper cuts, yeah. All I take is paper cuts, yeah, paper cuts. Gotta check the chart, boy. Watching all these small caps, watching all these chart, boy. Now I take a cut, boy. Now I take a cut, boy. I be selling quick, yeah, stunning on the holder, boy. RSK, got a many wrist, man. Trade another day, man. Trade another day, yeah. Paper cuts, all I take is paper cuts. If you ain't cutting loss and you ain't fucking trade with us. Paper cuts, all I take is paper cuts. If you ain't cutting loss and you ain't fucking trade with us. Used to take the big hit, now I keep it tiny, boy. Read about the blow-ups, that's a different trader, boy. Discipline is all I got, I never trust a FOMO, boy. Used to bag whole stocks, now I'm just a scaler, boy. Yeah, float is low, G, watching for the spike, man. Keep the stop loss ready, all my levels set, yeah. Ain't no second guess, yeah. You ain't talking risk, yeah. You ain't in the session, yeah. Get a mess, yeah. Cuts on cuts, yeah. Gotta keep it tight, Front of red, now I'm in the light. They were holding back, now they see the height, yeah. All I see is charts, all day, all night, yeah. All day, all night. All about that P&L cuts, paper cuts. All I take is paper cuts. If you ain't cutting loss and you ain't fucking trade with us. Paper cuts, all I take is paper cuts. If you ain't cutting loss and you ain't fucking trade with us. Paper cuts, yeah, paper cuts, yeah, paper cuts, yeah. All I take is paper cuts. Boy, just imagine the risk, saving all the paper, boy. Yeah.
Good morning, Green Team. Happy Friday. Got the traders in the building. Tuna, KD, Byron, and Crow in the house. KD, welcome to the channel. Thank you for subscribing after all these months. Crow, that call yesterday on the call-in show was fantastic. Thank you so much. I mean, that was amazing. Loved it. It's so passionate. You just wanted to talk the rest of the day about stocks. I could feel it. I was feeling the passion there, and I was ready to listen. I mean, we got to have like a campfire Friday night live stream with Crow because he's got a lot to share. I'm excited. Love the passion. That was great energy. So I had a question, Byron. I just messaged TTP about this. So you guys know Perfect Fall creates the music. I was wondering, Byron, for the call-in show, I'm asking TTP maybe that they have to. I'm asking the Michael Katz about it. If it'd be really cool to utilize like your work, like a 30-second bit or so for the call-in show in exchange for maybe an eval or something. If that interests you, I know you're in the future space right now, killing it. But yeah, that would be really cool. Like a little bit before the call-in show starts, a little music. Just ask some of their team over there. But we could probably arrange that. If you're interested in an eval, getting paid via an eval. So guys, yesterday it was so difficult for me to get over MIGI. Like MIGI was like a trade of the year, and I'll get into it right now. So we cannot miss these opportunities, and I kind of missed it yesterday because my kids needed something, and I missed a little bit of this move. So ended up being really upset about missing this on MIGI, but MIGI really followed OCG. We got to recognize traders, like even going into today, you notice there's not a lot popping up because of the overall market sentiment. Howard in the building as well. Howard, going to do some editing on the channel, guys. I got some ideas for you, Howard. I'm going to send you something over today. I'm going to try to today we're gonna maybe do like a little highlight reel. I got a lot of videos, about 1,000. I'm gonna send you some. I got a pretty cool idea we're gonna do for a first video, but we got a lot of ideas. Howard's gonna be editing for the channel, so welcome, Howard. He's gonna be doing some editing work for us, and I know some of you have requested as well. Uzo specifically requested like breakdowns of the day and whatnot. We got a lot of brainstorming to do. Some bangers incoming. Howard's very talented editor. Crow, KPLT. Yeah. Let's dive into a few of these plays. But MIGI, real quick. MIGI, I loved the daily resistance. We just got to review this so we don't miss it. The daily resistance was great here, 1550, 16. Ended up accumulating a bunch of longs. And Investors Underground had a great post on this that I shared with you guys in the Discord, where, and we went over this as well, guys. We were all on top of this. We were completely on top of this. I was hyper aware of it, hyper aware of these conditions being what? Longs are getting comfortable. You just always have to err on the side of caution when you're on the side of the majority. Longs in small cap land have gotten so comfortable on buying anything, and it just goes higher. And I just felt it. Years of experience. You can feel when, okay, this can't obviously last forever, and when it doesn't, they're going to capitulate. Longs are going to be like, oh, well, I just need to add lower, and we'll reverse and reclaim high a day. It didn't happen. OCG, MIGI. Now OCG, guys, unbelievable. This thing had a day 2 spike up towards 19, gave everything back. Next day, bled everything down as well. So what we're gonna do with that is gonna find the next one, right? You don't have to capitalize on just trying to predict. We just react, right? In trading, so many times we just react based on what we're seeing in the market. So we saw OCG, and then MIGI followed. MIGI followed, right? So MIGI, this one completely followed OCG. Now, with that being said, MIGI could have another leg down today because OCG actually had another leg down too. I mean, we're now on MIGI. You can see we're right down towards this consolidation around 5, which had it based out at weeks prior. Now let's take a look at OCG. OCG cracked under where it was basing out at. It was basing in the 250s and cracked even beneath that and lowered down under $1. So they can go much further than anticipated, right? Now, when we're kind of chasing the price action here, you can't be as sized as you are when you have the more predictable piece. This is what disappointed me here yesterday was just this was the play to size into, and I didn't size into it. But we learn from those mistakes, right? Like had a green day yesterday, but it just felt like, the opportunity miss was so costly for me on this because I didn't lean into this winner. Man, you gotta lean into some of these to have those irrational wins, and especially like following OCG should have been clear as day that that thing was going to be giving it back. But yeah, guys, the Bears are back in town. That's why we're not seeing a whole lot popping up right now. KPLT Crow is mentioning, wow, coming back up a little bit. Now, this one was a merger. Yeah, so they're agreeing to an all-stock merger, which is kind of like they kind of trade almost like an acquisition in the fact that they just gravitate towards whatever price, that where it's getting vexed in at. It's almost like Warren Buffett saying that the tickers will gravitate towards their intrinsic value over time. So KPLT, the acquisitions, mergers, they often trade like that. We just had a ton of volume coming into it out of nowhere for this reclaim. But yeah, it almost feels, guys, like it's going to be quite bearish today. You got to expect that longs are saying what? They're saying, oh, I don't know about this. All right, let's look left on KPLT though. Look left to predict right. We're seeing 1120, Magic 20 holding up there as a level of resistance that we could monitor. KPLT. But yeah, longs are going to be trepidatious and getting involved in some of these. So we got to be mindful of that. KPLT about 3 million in float, 9.9 million traded. But curious to know your thoughts, Mr. Crow, on KPLT. Yeah, Crow, we do Friday night live streams quite a bit where we just hang out, review the week, almost like a confessional kind of thing, like Josh was mentioning. We do that quite often. So we'll have you on sometime. It'll be fun. Be 3, 4, 5 of us in there. Would love your energy and your insight. Yeah, Doug, OCG, you had 400 shares at around 4. Man, yeah. Look, honestly, I've noticed this about my trading. I don't know if you guys have with yours as well. I had a mere so I had to go pick up my kids, and I didn't want a heavy position on MIGI. I took 25 shares up at like in the 15s and put like an 18 risk on it. I'm like, I'll give it about $100 risk. I like this setup a lot, and when I go really small like that, there's no emotions, and most of the time, like I can just see this thing play out. It almost works better for me to go small share size because when I go, if I were to go like 500 shares on this up here, I'm gonna trade it like irrationally. I'm gonna just because this thing could jump 3 points into a halt, and just I'm more like hyper focused on the ticker, and I make irrational decisions when I'm real small, like if I were in like 50, 100 shares on this thing, it's not that big of a deal. I mean, I just kind of can go about the day. I trade better when I'm in a size like I can go about the day. I know maybe there's $100, $200 risk on this, and I'm not worried about it. I know it's a good setup. All right, we got to get into some. My girl, Crow, you got you're it happens. Look, I've been married 10 years. My wife, she she doesn't hear the end of with stocks. I'm sure she would love to though. You got to scratch that itch somehow. So that's why we have this community. Scratch that itch so the spouse doesn't have to. All right. One of my favorite tickers going into today on the backside is PETS, pets. I like the setup here. We tapped the 200-day moving average yesterday, 315. That's a good risk guide, 320 really. We did a liquidity move up over 4. It's hangoverish. I mean, this is a good setup. I'm probably going to hit this one pretty hard. PETS against maybe 330. Give me 1 second, guys. All right. Yeah. So yeah, PTS. Hang tight, guys. Hang tight. Don't short it yet. Don't short it yet. Not a lot of volume here. So this is what 3, 4, 5. That's what I want with the hangovers, right? I want low volume after a big volume day. Abnormal volume. Abnormal volume is where it creates that abnormal range. Range is where the money's made. So that's what's most important. KPLT. My God, this thing reclaiming the highs right there on the merger. The merger is kind of sketch. 200 days at 1092. 1092. KPLT 10 plus coming, and I'm out. Good work. Taking profits on that. Again, I can't imagine the bulls are going to be like swinging hard today after OCG and Miggy. Iggy Miggy. Yeah, volumes here though. Volumes there on KPLT. All right, so we have some of the marijuana plays as well popping up. That's after you guys probably saw Trump was mentioned that he's going to likely reclassify the marijuana as a Schedule 3 drug. Uh, so a lot of those marijuana tickers, these things have been like, as long as I've been trading these things, like over all these years, they just ebb and flow like crazy after, whoever's in office says whatever they say. Marijuana is that political topic. But reclassifying it, Trump was alluding to. So some of the marijuana plays popping off. Let's flip through some more though. Axel is still in play. AXIL, can't really forget about it. They had the deal with Walmart, 3,700 stores they're going into. It was real bearish yesterday, but Beat's a good one. BEAT. Now, so yeah, Beat was the play. The FDA, went after their software application and said, that in November, and then the Beat filed an appeal and got it like reinstated, and so they hit all-time lows to now above a lot of resistance levels. It must have accumulated a bunch of shorts on that sell-off. The FDA is in on manipulating these tickers, and so I mean the Beats grinding higher after hitting lows. I mean, we're up from 70 cents to 250. Serious move there. Definitely one to keep an eye on. Next door, by the way, NXDR is really holding this 280. NXDR really respecting 280. Here's the chart on that. Keep that one in mind too. She's been on a run the last couple days. Under that 280, I like it for a short. See, I've found a lot of success here lately just trading unbiased, just making sure if the ticker's having irrationality on the long side, get involved in it. If it's cracking levels, take the short, just being unbiased, taking the positions based on the price action. Price action that Tuna speaks on all the time is king. Price action. So AFJK is one I want to keep on watch too. AFJK, $8 to 110 a few days ago. She's been trickling on down. Now, yesterday she halted up several times while we were on the call-in show. I mean, she was in play. And so AFJK's peeling on back though under the previous close. It's very slow, but I do like this one to trickle down. Obviously, you got to give it wiggle room. I'd probably go in like 10 to 20 shares and give it like 10 points of wiggle room, or more. I mean, that one, AFJK, we could see it trickle on down. All right, let's see if we're missing anything. iRobot, Money Mitch was trading yesterday. IRBT did have a little bit of a reclaim. She's been a tricky name to trade. I like the trade here, but it's kind of up and down. It's not very, very smooth fade on it against like the 540s, 50s, but a little choppy price action there. Emmanuel in the building. What's going on, Emmanuel? Good to have you in here. 5 minutes till the open, guys. Fades will be in here in just a second. We'll see what he's looking at. But that's mainly it. I like Pets. Pets is probably my favorite ticker against 320.30 on the short side. Miggy, if it follows OCG, it could certainly have another red day. I just look for pattern recognition, guys. So OCG sold down below where it based out at over the last few months. Along like it had this capitulation move, then sold off from 10 down into under $1. So Miggy, it's like I can't go full share size here because we've missed the bulk of the move. I would hate to take a huge, big L on this thing after it's already sold off 10 points, but we could see this one follow suit and sell off further today. Really, the risk guy could be this previous close at 610. Outside of that, AXIL's interesting for maybe even a long because they had that partnership with Walmart. They're kind of just trickling down, but volume, we got to have volume confirmation. What was KPLT? Where's she at right now? KPLT tapped nearly tapped the 200 days at 1092, 50 days at 952. I don't often use, you guys know from the whoever was in the call-in show yesterday, it's like we want to reduce noise. I love that when Crow and I were talking on there. It's like he's got it. He's got it figured out. As far as most traders are looking for their charts to look like air traffic control. They just want so much noise on it. It's the longer you trade, the more you just want to reduce things, simplify it as much as possible. There's no holy grail indicator, but there are some that work fairly consistently. And 200-day, 50-day, those do work fairly well. But the variables need to line up. It's like I like an overbought ticker coming up to those resistance levels, maybe, overbought. When a few of them line up, it creates a good trade. All right, so AFJK for a little bleed. That one's tough because it's spready. Miggy, watching that for potential continuation, similar to OCG. Pets, I like that to snap and fade, but again, we'll give it to like the 330 risk. KPLT's where the mob's at. But I just can't imagine on this Friday this thing gets it. I mean, maybe we'll see. We'll see, especially after the Bears from yesterday. And then, IRBT looks a little weak. WVE is worth mentioning. WVE finally, like that one offering at 19, and it's kind of heavy off 19 now. Had its first red day after that $6 to $20 move. So she could have further leg down. And then Beat. I know some of you guys are watching Beat. Yeah, Beat's. I do like Beat. I mean, it's reclaimed its levels. It's kind of stair-steppy. What I'm looking for on Beat would be a blow-off top. What I'd be looking for on Beat would be a blow-off top. It's definitely on my watch list and back burner list. But what I'm looking for there is a move like PETS did yesterday. I want to see them grab their liquidity, right? I want to see them do this $3 move up to $4 real quick, get their liquidity, take out all the stops. Yeah, analysis paralysis is definitely very real. I mean, it's true. You have to, like, in trading, that's why I love it. I know you do too, Crow. It's like you have to almost talk yourself out of trades. You have to be so good at trading that you have to respect risk and nearly talk yourself out of every single trade, but apply enough risk therein that you put yourself in the favorable conditions of reaping the reward. But you don't want to have that. Like that's the beauty of trading. You gotta love it. You gotta love it. I love everything about trading. It's great. So we got about a minute, guys. Fades. Fades. You got a minute. Break down the watch list.
Good morning, guys.
Good morning.
Yeah, I went back to bed and the market was slow.
Yeah, I know. But we gotta find the faders that are gonna keep fading off. Is it Miggy? You think she's heading back down further, like OCG? What you thinking?
Miggy, I still like Wave a lot. I think is my top play going into the bell. It
Okay.
just feels like the safer fade.
Yeah.
The iBio from yesterday also still looks good. BBGI is curling up a little bit now. I did like that one, but it's kind of curling.
Yeah, I failed to mention that one. BBGI. Yes, she is. She's got a lot of room down as well. But yeah, Wave, we kind of went over. I like that one too. I mean, it had a decent red day yesterday, but still up a lot. Still up
And
a
yeah,
lot.
so the CBD plays, the pop plays are popping. KPLT is the king.
The pop plays are getting high.
Yeah, I want to see what Wave's gonna do at the bell. I think that's probably my favorite one right now. But
Pets is my favorite. I need to have the finger ready on this one because
okay.
Let's see. Let me see if it's going to get volume coming into today, but I do like it. I'm gonna go ahead and take a position on PTS against like 320. Just FYI, guys. I know you're watching 325. Let me give it a little bit of room there. I don't like it sitting still here. We want to see no momentum come into it and just profit taking. Miggy getting a little
selling off right now. Snap.
Okay. Oh, it is. It is. Yep. WVE. Turning attention to WVE.
BBGI, seeing if that's going to... 10 could be good there. I think still has room. BBGI.
Miggy, dude, like I'm tempted to not go full size, but throw something on it to see if we gonna kind of OCG back down further.
Okay.
KPLT halted down. Oh shit. Pets selling off, guys. Pets coming down a little bit, down to the 290s. We want to snap this area on PETS. If this is going to confirm, I'm going to get real heavy here, guys, on PETS. Just FYI, I'm going to get real heavy here. If it snaps under 290, 320 is still my risk level, but
iBio looks good. Yeah, Pets as well.
Yeah,
but Pets have more momentum lately, so see if they keep that or.
Which one? iBio. Yeah, iBio. I mean, we smacked that yesterday. iBio looked good. Crows and alerting beat BAT. Yeah, beat. I'm looking for the blow off move. I think the analysis is correct there. Looking for the blow off move on BAT, then I'll get involved with it. So
iBio for the sleepy fade might be good.
Yeah, you're right. I think it's worth throwing something at iBio, but 7-8 cents.
I like how Wave reacted. I'm looking for just that sleepy Wave fade today, like sleepy fade to 15 or so today on Wave. Could even size it if it behaves well. It's been a ticker that trades cleaner. You know, it's cleaner. It's less manipulated. Feels like one you can really size into and ride.
Miggy getting a little pop.
Yeah.
It might be a slow sleepy fade kind of day.
Sleepy fade.
KPLT, I do want to monitor this out of the halt here. Maybe 935. Miggy, I gotta keep a close eye on. See, this is why I wish fades I had a lazy eye. There's too much to look at. I need like one eye on scans, one eye on charts.
iBio Kraken.
Yeah.
Think they'll reclaim it, or are they just gonna throw in the towel there?
Is it halting down?
It was real bearish yesterday. Traded it, watched it. That was a good call. It's been a good ticker. Been a real bearish ticker since you called it out yesterday.
Yeah. It was a good hangover. Yeah, I mean, it's got plenty of rim downs, cracked its trend.
BBGI is getting the love.
I'm gonna throw something at IBIO. BBG. Oh, okay. BBGI. All right. Turning the attention over there. I cannot even. I mean, I know the Bulls are hungry, but today's not their day, man. Today's not their day.
Yeah, you could tell by the scanner. I mean, it's dead besides that pot theme.
All right, some of the marijuana
halted down. That one play halted down. It was pumping. So
KPLT. Let's see what they're doing with it out of this halt. It should open on the 5 minutes within a minute. Tuna, YCBD. Yeah. So the marijuana plays all are gonna. You probably don't trade all the marijuana tickers. Like pick one if you're going to trade them because they're probably going to move together. TLRY, YCBD. But good alerts in chat. Yep, ZDGE, random little low float play, getting some loving right now. ZDGE, a little bit of loving.
Okay.
KPLT still halted. All right, my eyes are on KPLT because it may open up here. In which case, if we go down into another halt, I may smack it.
Yeah, it's only up 30% now, so I'm not crazy about getting in it, but there definitely could be trade there still.
Pets is testing the 290s out again.
Wow, BBGI just, are you, God, bro, I got stopped out at the top on BBGI and they halted down. Are you shitting me? God. Ugh.
Sorry, man.
Damn, that happened fast.
Right
BBGI might turn into just the bearish fade for the day after that move there, guys.
I know that feeling. I know all too well, dude.
Stopped out over 10 just now and then white back. That's gross. Yeah, that's all good. I wasn't in that big. It was Bell, but it's just annoying.
KPLT's opened up.
Yeah, wave feels good today. Sizing that thing pretty heavy with getting real tight there.
KPLT feels so.
They didn't even play with wave. They just, they just faded it right at Bell. So the Bulls are really getting worried there. Wave came from $6. Active dilution now. I mean, yeah. C15 today. 14.15.
BBGI definitely has my attention. I think. I mean, I know. Don't emotionally trade it after that, but there's still something there, so you might have to.
Oh yeah, it's gonna have to be like smaller size, chasing the price action down now. They probably just ended it there.
Because now it's below previous close. It tapped 10, rejected. It's probably done from here.
Dude, it printed 10.22 at 9.34, and then at 9.35 it's printing 8.62. Like from 10.22 to 8.62 in 1 minute. Washout.
I like the setup a lot, traders. I'm going to be focused BBGI pretty carefully at 9:40.
Yeah, I hate that I topped that out. Oh god, that 10 was nice.
Dude, I can hardly
I buy lower.
I was sorry I was venting to you off stream yesterday. I was like,
you're good, man.
Dude, I hardly could live with myself missing that Emigi. They don't come often like that. I was so pissed off. ZDGE at highs right now. Crow's alert on that one. ZDGE. Any news here? It's
Yeah,
just
up
okay.
50%.
Up on earnings.
Yeah, earnings can get a little more pumper, but yeah.
It always cracks me up. These little penny plays, earnings. They beat
Right.
estimates by like
What?
one penny.
Yeah. Yeah, we paid off some debt. It was a good quarter.
Yeah, I was like, yeah, exactly.
Our debt is 10% less. It was a win.
Dude, I'm so interested in the ZDG short, by the way. Like, shorts are salivating today, guys. I'm telling you, they're salivating. IBIO working real well. IBIO working real well. Good alert there, Fades. Thank you.
Yeah. Oh, that's both of us. You pointed out yesterday, and then I've just stayed consistent with it since. Let's go. Print it. iBio. Where are we headed here? $2 is probably going to be a realistic target here to see what's going to react.
Pink sheets. That's where we're headed. All right, BBGI. I'm watching BBGI right here, guys. Within the minute she's going to open up. I think this could head back down to $4. So, I mean, we're trying to find the next OCG Miggy, right? That's what I'm looking for.
Yeah, BBGI definitely has the room to do that, especially after that move it made. I just hate that. I hate missing that. I'm now having to enter 2 points lower than I wanted. So, with that being said, you just have to scale into it, slow
Yeah.
scale it, build a position.
ZDGE, I'm eyeballing that too. It's coming up towards 4. Crow calling the $4+ with his crystal ball.
Crow's got the crystal.
Yeah, he's got that crystal ball. We're going to sell the green team crystal ball. Oh my God. BBGI just opened up a lot lower. Oh my God.
God, they're halting it again, aren't they? This might be the one that washes out, dude. Took 50 shares.
I'm hitting it.
All right, I'll
BBGI.
take 50 more. I can't take more than that. How much it just sold off. I got 100 shares, dude. Oh, that's gross. I was in
can't
it.
miss.
I entered it at like 950 and then it swept me above 10. Ah, that's gross.
I went a little heavy. Oh, but
Wave behaving still. iBio 220 level churn.
I can't miss the next Miggy OCG. So I mean, honestly, now look at this line, guys. On BBGI, we have 850 as a good risk guide now. I mean, that's honestly, I gotta let this thing play out like Miggy and OCG.
Yeah, I took a starter and then it's like I'll add as it pops back up, or I'll just be in with these shares for the fade down. It's my idea.
Yeah.
All right, let me take a look. Bro. See.
Doug got it as well. Good.
Yeah, I mean, I'm not a fan of chasing it at that price, but we've seen that trend. We know what the sentiment is right now. So
ZDGE, dude, 420. I might have to smack this one too. Just in these market conditions,
it's getting up a little more.
It's
maybe like
a
slow scale feeler beginning.
Yeah, I'm a slow scale.
Earnings, what's some levels on the chart? 1 month. Looks like it's like $5 is pretty significant.
I'm just gonna hit it small. I'm a slow scale it, guys. I think this is the market condition to do it. I'm just hitting it like 75 right now. I'll hit it.
Yeah, 420 is a good level. I'm not gonna lie on the chart. Like 420, if not 420, then 520. Both look good.
Yeah.
You're gonna do the slow scale method?
Yeah, towards 5. Yeah, up and over 5. I'm a slow scale it, even up over 5. ZDGE. I think the market's market conditions are ripe for it. So I'm a
There's fruit. It's ripe.
Yeah.
Hell, Dickie, it's right.
Resume price. Okay. Let me see.
iBio continuing to work. Honey hole there.
Resume price.
And then Wave, just stay heavy, girl. I mean, I don't really see them buying it back up now.
Trying to find
for
it.
Wave. Let's take a look. Oh, what's that? What was that play from yesterday? That RZLT. Oh, RZLT from yesterday, bro. The potential long bounce right here, right now.
Okay. Yeah, that was pretty good.
RZLT.
Where on that stream? I'll look at it in a little while, Doug. Where on the stream does it show that? All right, ZDGE pulling back in a little bit. BBGI really got to pay attention here because okay, yeah, I got to pay attention to Z. Honestly, BBGI, I want to give some room. I might give it back up towards like 920, really. On the right above the fireplace. Okay.
So what are you involved in right now?
BBGI, IBIO, Pets, and ZDG.
Wave is working, guys. Wave, printing new lows. Okay. Yeah, I got Wave, BBGI, and iBio. I went ahead and trimmed some iBio. I'm in half size now.
BBGI resume.
Wave capitulation.
505 is the resume price?
It could be. That was pretty aggressive selling. I mean, that's a big dump, though. I would say more so like 6 something, but I hated Miji. Yesterday was painful because I had like 150 shares when it really gave up, but I sold too soon and dropped like $2 or $3 more bucks. It's like, ugh.
It's about to open. I'm thinking about leaning into this, guys. I cannot make the same mistake as yesterday.
I'm leaning into Wave currently. I've sized that thing really big, so looking for that fallout here.
Falcon made way too much. Welcome to the club. Yep, I'm in that boat right now too.
Degenerate land. Degen land.
Yeah. Quite
Welcome
possibly.
to Degen land.
10-minute halt, dude. BBGI. Anybody else in chat get that?
This RZLT is very interesting, guys. For the long here. Off the 1-4. Taking a starter.
Pets is pissing me off. It's always the one I like the most that doesn't want to cooperate.
Wave Rider. 16.5 is key, guys. Wave Rider. Come on, baby. Sized it.
I feel like I missed my...
Let's go, Wave. Yeah. Print it. Come on, baby. Clean dumper. Let's go, dude. Print it.
Are you sizing it still?
No, I'm really big right now, so I'm gonna be just monitoring it to trim or keep writing it down.
Yeah, it was a good alert on it. Yep, good alert. It was a good bear flag right there. Sold down to the previous close.
Then snapped under that. Beautiful, dude.
Yeah. Motivate, shorten VOR. That was it's been a play the last few days. It's been curling up a little bit, but yeah, euphoria there. Good alert, VOR. All right, BBGI. Let me see. Resume time 9:50:58. Resume price 535. Oh my god.
RZLT RR here was juicy, guys, for the long. I traded it yesterday again. Had a nice trade on it. Popped again. It made a new high this morning off that. It's up 11% after being down 90% yesterday. So, and I think could have a good little trade on it.
ZDGE looking kind of heavy now. I'm thinking about
BBGI gonna resume. Oh, we still got
950, 53 on BBGI, which I got to pay attention to. I mean, I went a little heavier there. IBIO working great, dude.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, these halts have been so like juicy this week. Some of them, if catching them, have been so juiced up.
Yeah, just like knowing when it's time and when they're gonna manipulate the halts, because sometimes the halts can be just traps, but some of them it confirms the price action. Yeah.
Yep, some of them I've gotten wrecked on, but
iBio just gonna wash to nothing.
BBGI resume price 535, resume time 950.58.
Wave could be given an entry level here. Cracked new lows and had a little pop back up. iBio pressured down.
Is it time to lean iBio or start taking profits? Pressure down, iBio still selling off.
Might capitulate into the dollar.
9.
Wave having a strong bounce off 1630. I'm glad I trimmed some. I've started to scale back into it. I don't want to see it pump up much more over 17s.
Taking a half on iBio.
What's that?
Just taking half on iBio.
Okay.
Just kick back with leftovers there. And then BBGI, attention there. It's going to open up within like 30 seconds. Come to Papa, BBGI. Come to Daddy.
Come on, Papa. Come on, Papa.
Are we going to halt down again? Is this the play? Because I'm ready. Put me in, coach.
iBio, freaking Bagholder Chronicles. And ZDGE. How's that one doing? You still chilling in that one?
Yeah, I'm still chilling there.
Wave could be a good entry here, guys, if you're not involved.
Are we going to a 15-minute halt, BBGI?
Maybe something's going on. Yeah, it's been longer than 10.
Dude, did they offering? Because that would be sick. That'd be awesome.
Let me see if there's any. How many shares you got?
200.
You're working Evo right now, though, right?
Yeah, I'm about to have it funded.
Nice. Yeah, I don't see anything.
Okay.
Well,
Miggy offering, and they did not like. It wasn't on Thinkorswim's newsfeed. Okay.
iBio Bagholder Washland. RZLT the long is in play.
RZLT, yeah, you mentioned that one. Let me look.
Wave, that entry at 17 was true. My size some back on Wave off that wick. Size and Wave again.
What's our resume time then on BBGI? We don't know, huh? All right. ZDGI is the bull toy of the day. I'm gonna let that one play around a little bit.
Yeah, it's just gotta give these things the room they need sometimes, man. All right, iBio. I did just go ahead and take everything out at 202. I had 2 trades for 10 cents twice on it. Now it could be the leftover sprinkle theory. Like just throw a small size share on it and let that thing fade because it's kind of acting like it just wants to wash under 2 now, right?
Yeah. If
Just
I
don't want
buy
to
a
reclaim and
guys,
give back the profits, you know. So
with
do that.
with the market conditions on ZDGE, I feel like, the elevator down is almost inevitable, so I must size it. ZDGE, if we do elevator down, I'm sizing that into the halt down. I can my sixth sense tells me that we're
Five
just
twenty look,
awaiting that.
yeah, 520 look good if this isn't going to top. But that could be the top right there. Did they just wick it at 4-4? Is that like the fake, like just breakout, fake out breakout pattern right there?
Mm,
Staying heavy, guys. ZDGE is at the top. I might take a starter off that wick. What's the flow here? Do you know off the top?
yeah, 10 million, a little over 10 million.
Okay. ZDGE.
If it elevators, I'm getting in it pretty good.
Are you in it already though?
I
Yeah.
just have 75 shares like kicking back.
iBio, dude, looks like it's gonna capitulate under 2, man. I'm gonna, I'm gonna throw some leftovers there. Leftover position in iBio. Yep, 2
Mhm.
crack. Just don't want to get too big because I've already had some good trades on it.
BBGI, what are we doing on BBGI? I gotta go to the bathroom, but I can't. BBGI resume, dude. I'm monitoring ZDGE for the halt down, and then BBGI. Obviously, I'm in that for pets. I got stopped out of, and IBIO. I'm still working leftovers. IBIO. I wonder if they're like pending some offering right now. That's the only thing I can think of, unless it's
Right.
not a very bullish move, though.
iBio, wow. You still with it? You take it all?
I got half.
Yeah. ZDGE. Did get a starter there. Starting to feel kind of like a fake out breakout.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, ZDGE kind of toppy with the wicks. Oh,
Are they going?
BBGI just opened up. BBGI just opened up.
Yeah, $1 lower. At this point, when they open like that a few times, like fingers on the trigger to cover.
I just took half, 630, but I'm gonna leave some.
Yeah, you were in good, so. CDGE dumping, guys. CDGE, we halting down. Are they gonna fake us out?
Let me know if it's halting down.
BBGI, I covered for now. BBGI, took some profit, 6.6.
Let me know if we're halting down. ZDGE,
CDGE is staying heavy. So far, so good.
because I need to hit that one again if it's halting down.
It feels like it's close to capitulation. iBio just getting smacked.
BBGI, I'm thinking about taking it and then hitting it again, smaller, like a leftover.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I think I kind of should leave leftovers there.
Yeah, I have to.
Yeah,
I'm gonna be
I don't
so.
want to. I don't want to not have anything there. Let me take 50 shares again.
I'm gonna be so disappointed in myself if I don't. Even if it doesn't work out, like you just gotta let it try to let it try to play
Mm-hmm.
out.
RCLT, man, thing's kind of puppy, bro. That long play, sneaky long play. CDGE looking good, bro.
Okay.
They didn't pop it up yet. They might not.
It's looking heavy. BBGI is looking heavy too. I'm thinking about hitting that again. Yeah, everything's. I mean, pets. The one I like the most didn't work. Everything else has been working real well. But that's
Yeah,
the
we
nature.
just
That's the
we
nature of
just
trading.
get the bias. Yeah, remove that bias.
Yeah, exactly. Remove the bias.
CDGE, I saw better at 365, a decent size. See if that's gonna stay. Just broke a key level, so are they gonna reclaim it or they're just done? It hasn't gotten like a crazy pop back up, which not good for the bulls. They're not giving bulls an exit, so they might start to panic, you know.
Right. BBGI feels done, dude. It feels completely done to me. BBGI.
WBE behaving better. Yeah. BBGI. Yeah. CDGE. Nightmare Zone.
CDGE. I took BBGI. I'm starting it again. What are we halting?
365 is key. It looked like it wanted to break through and it came back up again. Kind of holding that 365 a little bit. I'm watching Thinkorswim on my phone so I can see the price more clearly.
Yeah, 440s look good there. You know, you remember last week had been so trappy.
Mm-hmm.
Account is locked. Falcon, you made too much on the eval. The account is locked. Locked it so they can check it and fund you.
BBGI halt up.
Yeah. Oh, dang. Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, it's expected. I'll just be sizing that until he pops.
Likewise.
Studying wave. I want to see it stay heavy. Very key here around 17. iBio is a great one. Yep, ZDGE is feeling heavy. Hasn't gotten love yet. Up 50%. I mean, there's some meat here. I'm not getting too carried away, but
see if they short squeeze it out or.
Yeah, popping back up a little bit.
If they're accumulating shorts for a squeeze, like I don't know if I'll probably adjust my risk.
Mm-hmm.
CCHH halted at 13. Open is at 13 cents or 57 cents.
Huh.
No way, 57 cents. Are you kidding me? CCC. What did they do? Come out with an offering? Dude, CCHH is up a lot. But I mean, we could look at this one, dude. She's hangoverish. CCHH.
Am I missing the chart?
Is it on TTP? Oh no, yeah, it's on there. CCHH. It might be
Oh, it's
one.
like under my radar, but yeah, that's interesting. That looks real interesting.
Yeah, I'm gonna watch that one out of the
Good
halt
call
too.
on there.
Yeah, thank you, Doug. Resume price.
CCHH.
Yeah. Resume times in like 45 seconds.
Okay.
NCI, I see on the scanners. I know some of you are talking about. I'm gonna see where CCIH opens up at. Maybe take a little piece of that.
CCHH or CI?
Yeah. CCHH. 10-minute halt, it looks like, but it's about to open up in about like 40 seconds. And then ZDGE, still monitoring that. I'd like to size it into a halt down, but we'll see the action there.
Yeah. Yeah, I got a little position there, Sean. But it's staying kind of heavy here at this 3.8. It's almost giving a area to size it, so iBIOS, great.
All right, where are we going to open CCCH? Watch that. If this thing does open at 50 cents, it might be worth a long.
50 cents for real?
Yo, that's what Doug said. I don't know. We'll
Is there
see.
dilution or anything?
I didn't see the news. It's just up a ton over the last month. $1 now. Dude, this might be worth a dead cat bounce, guys, down here. If it's going to be $1, it's probably worth a dead cat bounce. Just saying.
CDGE.
Fingers on the trigger for CCHH. Oh, there's too much going on.
ZDGE feeling heavy again.
Mm-hmm. Yes, see that. Still, are we about to open up?
CCHH looks like 10-minute halt.
Yeah, but it's been 10 minutes.
Oh, 15 or 20, yeah. Looks like it's going on, it's like 17 minutes. So.
Okay.
ZDGE feeling better. But
And then
it's the king of the day, so they can play with it.
BBGI still halted, maybe a 10-minute halt there. Look, if CCHH seriously opens up at $1, like I'm taking a dead cat bounce long on that thing.
There's just no way around it.
There's no way around it. I think
Simply
that's
what I have to do.
I have to.
Simply what has to be done.
Okay, I got it, dude. I got to hit the head. I can't wait. Scream at me. I have my headphones on. Let me know if something opens up. There's halting.
Okay, everyone, turn your audio down. Kevin's gonna come back waddling with his pants at his ankles. We've seen it before. It'll happen again. Studying ZDGE here. They're ZDGE here. They might not be done with it. It's the MM playground. But in the same token, it stayed pretty heavy here.
All right, I'm back.
Yeah, just studying ZDGE. It's like the MM field day. They're going to do something with it. It's about to pop up or down 20, 30 cents is what it feels like. So just be prepared for that. It's getting close here.
These halts, man. These halts have been cray. All right.
It was a fake out breakout into the unwind is what ZDGE has been doing.
Zudu or Zendu. Zendu is showing CCCH about to open up.
Breakout, fake out. Rather.
Might be suspended. It's well, the Zendu's saying it may.
RYM alert, guys, up 150%. What the hell is that?
Feel like this week has just been like waiting in halts.
Yeah, RYM. What's the deal with that, bro? ZDGE.
Yeah, I'm gonna hit that heavy if it halts down. Just waiting. CCH, every BBGI is in a halt. CCHH still in the halt. ZDGE, we're just awaiting the halt. You know, that's pretty much life right now. Waiting in the halt.
Yeah, lovely. It's where they fleece the
dude. At least we're not waiting in whatever ticker. You know that there was what ticker was at that T12. Like there's some people paying like 800% short interest or something crazy overnight, dude. Yeah, there it's insane. Like hundreds of dollars a day people are having to pay that were short. I don't recall that it's a something from last week. Whatever ticker in a T12 up. It went up. You know, like they all were like $10 to 100. It was
wow. iBio. Damn, dude. I took everything off there. I shouldn't have. Wow. ZDGE on elevator watch. Feels like they're not gonna. Like it feels like they would have pumped it by now. Are they really just rounding up all the shorts to squeeze it? The chart got really bearish.
And BBGI still halted as well. That may open up lower. You know how they do with some of these.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, that halt up did not scare me one bit. I didn't even realize it. I mean, I'm only in 50 shares, but
I took it all, went back, 75, but I don't mind smacking it again.
RZLT, that long, that dead cat bounce long is not rolling over either. Size that thing.
Oh, BBGI just opened. Opened quite a bit higher too.
Way higher, huh? They trapping everyone? I'll add 50 more shares. ZDGE pumping.
I really don't want to see 850 on it, but CCHH really monitoring that one too.
Yeah, they accumulated shorts, ZDG, of course.
BBGI, see what she's going to do here.
Yep, ZDGE market maker field day. Bear traps. Could possibly be sloppy, but I don't like the way it feels. The way it's trading. The earnings plays sometimes can gain a little bit more momentum, so.
They trying to halt it up. CCHH still stuck in its halt. Yeah, I'll probably take ZDGE off for now.
Yeah, I don't
It's
like
just
it anymore after that.
it's just right at my average, but I don't. It's just invalidating a bit. Let me see what it does here.
Yeah, I mean, it could, like right here, right now is the key. If it's gonna
Yeah.
roll over or not.
Honestly, I'll reverse long if it shoots straight up into a halt, probably.
It had a weak breakout fake out before, so now what's it gonna do? It should, bearish case, it should be rejecting like right here, right now.
ARBK current halt down. Still showing it's tradable for me. ARBK. Bid 17, ask 1440.
ZDGE, Warrior Congregation.
If it flies up into a halt, I'll probably jump in long and see. It's heading up towards the high day right now.
I think I'm just gonna lean into BBGI and Wave. I got chopped out in that BS King of the Day field day crap with ZDGE, so.
Yeah, BBGI, that's all you need on a day. She's looking pretty good. CCHH still stuck at 13 in that halt.
Which one?
CCHH. Yeah, CCHH still in its halt. And then ARBK opened up. ARBK is real heavy right now, guys. Real heavy. Halting down, I think. ARBK, I'll get involved. ARBK. Halting down. Halting down.
Okay. Good call. Thank you. I got in that.
Yeah. Well, thank you, Doug. Thank you, Doug. ZDGE approaching highs. I gotta go in at 10:30 because I'm going to my son's school. I'm gonna have lunch with him.
Okay, cool. Nice.
Depending on what halts I'm in, so I gotta try to be strategic
Right.
about this.
Exactly.
ARBK, I may have sized it too much then.
Did you? Oh, because the volume?
Yeah, I probably did. 10. Well, that's the 5-minute candle.
No, there was a lot of volume that just went through, dude.
Oh, okay.
There was like
10,000.
thousands. There's like thousands of shares that just went through that last minute.
Okay.
Well, let me see. 400. I mean, how many shares did you take? I'll tell you if you're good.
150.
It's gonna be close. So that means you need 3,000 shares the last minute.
Doug, I'm not sure it would have worked. There's been some halts that have, like there was one halt, I think it was a T12 that was still tradable, but it wasn't like taking you out on that actual bid price during the halt. So I don't think it would have taken you out at that price.
Looks like there was like thousands of shares traded, like a couple thousand, maybe 3, 4,000. So you probably are fine. Oh.
BBGI, I'd like it to stay heavy for a next leg down.
It's ZDGE.
What's that doing?
Death candle.
Halting down? Oh, I see. Okay.
Wow, look at that.
420, she's having trouble.
That should kill it. That should be the death candle there, dude. I mean, come on, God.
I think I'm going to hit it off of that 420. A 420 looks...
See, if it'll come back a little bit. I don't want to chase it too big here. But that should be the death candle. And wave, I don't think wave's going to come back up much more either. I'm going to start to scale on that a little bit.
ARBK, I'm looking, trying to see the ARBK. What's the AR? I see a ARBKL. Is that the price?
What's that?
Trying to check the resume price on ARBK.
Mm-hmm.
When it halted at 26 earlier, dude, it opened up at 23. 1351 is about the open price. Okay. It might open up here any second.
RZLT long is working. He was trying to break out.
It was at 14 cents without the reverse split. ARBK 5-minute halt would be here soon. Is it halting down again?
ARBK resumption.
It's halting down again.
Nice.
I'm up a lot. This might be funded, dude. This might be. Are you on
fund? Added some more.
Oh boy. All right.
RZLT degeneracy mode, guys. ZDGE feeling heavy. Wave, I'm all out. Things freaking trying to reclaim.
Today has
nothing good lasts forever.
Which one? ZD.
Wave.
If BBGI keeps cooperating and selling lower, guys, and then ARBK keeps cooperating, I'm going to have this next 25 funded.
Mm-hmm.
Now, we'll see. I mean, again, this week would have been so great on the funded, dude. I know you've been working it. You're funded, right? It's been a fruitful week for you, hasn't it?
Yeah.
It's been such a clean week.
Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah.
So disappointed with my funded.
Stay positive, bro. You're good. Big picture.
It is. So that's like I agree. Easier said than done, right? Like,
yeah, oh yeah.
So, because I'm always disappointed with myself, but I'm like, I try to look at the big picture, but I'm like, dude, yesterday you should have made so much.
I know. Like you said, it's never good enough as a trader.
Yeah, Manuel.
Just trying to be less emotional, and The less emotions, the better. Obviously,
Right.
with trading.
Emmanuel, I took the funded up 1,500, and then I had like an absolute hell week. I think you were in here too. Fades and I were like, everything just wasn't working. And now this week, everything is working. So it sucks to not be on it. But yeah, I lost that funded, unfortunately. But I'm right here at the profit target with another one. I'm just the best trade profit limit is where I'm having trouble.
Right, because you degened a trade and made too much.
I mean, it was 50 shares, dude. It wasn't that degen. The thing opened up 50 points higher, and then it squeezed up from there. Like I literally looked at it, and I was up 1,400 on it with 50 shares, and I was like, I don't want to be up this much.
You're like, this is too much, too fast. Right?
Yeah.
Look, don't touch.
Yeah. Oh my god, you fat fingered Emmanuel. There's a setting where you can like have it make sure it like confirm when you go over a certain share limit. I set that on mine. I'm like, if I go over 1,000 shares on anything, just pop up a confirmation box just so I know. If you add too many zeros. God, I hate that. Sorry for you. BBGI hit the sell button instead of the buy button, shorted 50 shares at 6 instead of covering at 6. Dang it. I mean,
Yeah,
Doug,
I've had some really bad fat fingers.
CCCH resumes at 45 cents.
Nightmarish fat fingers.
Yeah. I can only imagine. Because you're already you're a pretty heavy hitter as it is, right? So you go in 10,000 instead of 1,000.
Yeah, like the other day I told you I ended up having like 30K exposure in a ticker. I meant to have like 3K. Like I immediately had to take
and that was on that Wii shop, wasn't it?
Yeah, I think it was. I accidentally took like 10 times as much as I was supposed to.
Dude.
And it was like an 8-cent spread, and I had like $30,000 or like an $8 spread, and I had like $30,000 in it. I'm like, oh my god. Yeah, that was freaking awful. If I wasn't already up like way big on the day, that would have like set me into max loss almost immediately, you know. But I was already up. I had a lot of profit cushion on the day, so yeah. So ZDG is kind of pissing me off, but if they reclaim that again, I'm gonna be pissed. It feels like it should be done here, but it's that MM trap trickery kind of vibe.
Focus on the winners, bro.
Yeah, BBG.
Winners. ARBK opened up.
Oh my
Halting
god.
down again.
Let's go, dude. Is it halting
Woo,
down?
baby, let's go.
Is that a halt down?
Yeah,
Is
yeah.
it halting? Okay.
I can't hit it again. I'm already up.
I just took all my profit and smacked it for half size, bro, because I was in. I mean, I ended up having 300 shares there.
You total degen, bro.
Is it?
I'm messing with you. Yes. Yes.
Go,
yes.
dude.
Yes. Yes.
Good work, bro. ZDGE, you are such a piece of
You focus on
I
the
really
winners,
don't like
bro.
this trade.
Focus on the winners, man.
Yeah.
She's reeling you in.
She
Doug,
is.
thank you. Doug, I owe you something. You alerted that ARBK.
Yeah, good work, Doug. Thank you, bro. RZLT, the winners. Focus on the winners.
It's just I like it, but that
It's
one's gonna
chasing
be
now. Like when I called it out earlier, it was a better risk level. Now you're chasing it. Now it's sketchy. Yeah.
Well, it's a good it honestly is probably a good swing trade. You know?
Right.
I mean,
yeah, exactly.
Like that thing in a month from now is you're probably gold, but on today's time frame, I mean, you probably milk it for some. VOR, Motivate. You took the short there. She's in a bear flag right now. VOR. Crow, OCG back from the dead. Yes, on a, like, look at this stair steppy
Is it?
trend she's on.
Oh my god.
God, dude, I'm so glad I'm letting some of these play out today. God. I mean, where's ARBK going, dude? This thing is just nonstop trickling down.
Right.
I gotta, yeah, man, I want to stay here, but I got gotta go to I'm gonna surprise my son for lunch at his school.
Is it time to flip long on ZDGE? This thing's a grinder. Feels like it's just gonna blow off top now.
I don't know how I leave with this action, dude. I've had such a killer week, man. And then it's like, as I was telling them on TTP yesterday, it's like, dude, I had the worst week of my year last week, and you just feel so down and out. But if you've been in this game for a while, you know you're just, some weeks are not your weeks, you know?
Yeah.
Just big picture, like you said. Just focus big picture. You'll be all right. You'll be good. When I'm not like at my high watermark on my account, it messes with my head, and it shouldn't.
Yeah, it's just not realistic.
It's not, yeah, it's not realistic. It's ridiculous. Yeah.
ZDGE feels like they're gonna squeeze it, bro.
Okay. Let me know if it goes into a halt. I'm gonna take some off on ARBK out of this next halt.
Okay. What do we have a resumption?
Within if it's 5 minutes at 10:31, it'll open up. I see QH on scans too. Haven't looked at it yet. Focused here on ARBK out of this halt. CCHH is still in a halt, dude. What is going on there? They must be pinned in like some awful news or something.
That's crazy.
This sucks, man. That's happened on Chow and some other ticker the other day, where it's like you don't have, as long as you're effed. You're pretty much just effed.
Scammers. BBGI feels like it's probably going to unwind. Just sleepy fade from here, maybe.
Yeah, I'm still with that.
That's cool. You're going with your son for lunch, though. That's what's up, man. Friday. Celebratory Friday. BBGI. So
I mean, I very much want to stay here, but we just opened up and we're halting again.
Oh my god.
I'm making too much, dude. I'm taking it off.
You're like, this is too much. This is too much.
Is it halting again? No, it's stuck here. No, it's halting again, dude. Oh, I took it off. I mean, I'm up a lot.
Yeah, I did too. Wow.
God dang it, dude. I'm still like, I gotta probably make another 500-600. I'm up at 2,200 profit target, and I still have to make probably another.
What even happened here? How did we even find this play? What, Doug? Good call out, man. Like, that play was just, that's the power, man. The power in numbers, because not any one person can see all this market, what's going on everywhere at once. Like, You know, we help each other out, and like you said, it's like don't focus on the loser, bro. Like we got winners elsewhere. Like
Oh, hang on. Oh, sorry. Never mind. Sorry. False alarm. Disregard. I get excited every time I see a ticker that's looking like it's
you
about to
gotta
start
get
off.
going though, brother.
I do.
Are you kind of flexible? You need to stick around a little bit.
No, I gotta go. I think I'm gonna be. Like I said, I'd love to stick around, but being
Just
up
go with
here,
your go like pull up to the school with your iPad and your phone. Like that's gonna be me as dad. Like I'm like with my girl. We like go out to lunch. I like got my iPad and my phone. I look like just like the jerk boyfriend. Like it's like not paying attention to my girl
yeah,
at all. But really, I'm just trading. Like people don't realize it.
exactly.
It's gonna be like me with my son one day.
Mm-hmm.
He'll be trading with me.
I think
That's
I have
cool,
to
man.
make another like 700. Here, I'll show you. Yeah, it's being a parent's all about them sacrifices. I'd love to sit here and trade. I'm at about $2,200 out of the 1,500. My profit, my problem on it is this 50% cap. I gotta probably make another 500-600.
Okay, I see it. Wait. Oh, I can't see the. Scroll down a little bit. Oh, 76%. And how much was your best trade?
It was
That's everything. And you just calculate your best trade. You're gonna have to double that in profit.
biggest profit 1,600.
Oh my god, dude. So you have to make. Jeez. It kind of like yeah. I see what you're saying. It almost like ruined that whole account.
Mm-hmm. Because now it's like I have to make probably another
It's like a
600-700.
50K. Ask him, be like, can this just be a 50K now? Like, because you're essentially working a 50K, but the risk of less. You know.
Yeah,
Wow.
it's really frustrating.
ZDGE, there they go. Are they squeezing it? Feels like they're gonna squeeze this thing up, man. They're not rolling over.
And then where's ARBK headed, dude?
Time to flip
Like,
long. I'm long. I'm long.
are you? I'm about to.
You can't beat them, join them.
I just, yeah, here we go. I'm long.
Fingers on the trigger though, bro. Watch out for the elevator.
If it elevators, I'm out. I mean, if it elevators, I'm out. I want it to break through the highs here. If it doesn't, I'm out.
Wave is behaving well again. Come on, baby.
430. I'm gonna flip short if this thing rejects here.
Mm-hmm.
It looks like it might reject. It's stalling right here. Let's see. It's having trouble, bro. Yeah, I'm out. Maybe it works, but I don't know. Sketching me out too much.
Yeah, I see what you're saying. I'm studying the. Yeah.
Yeah, I
Honestly,
gotta go.
that one's just too gambly. Yeah, it's too hard to get a read on that one. They keep trapping everyone out.
I gotta run, guys. Appreciate y'all. Good day today. I'll take it.
All right.
Man, this is problematic though. It's aggravating.
What's that?
Just having to make so much extra.
Yeah, that's annoying. I wish they'd like fix that somehow. Yeah. Yeah, man. I mean, ZDG is the king of the day, and naturally, it just feels harder to trade because they're all there. The manipulation's all there, right? You know, it's just trickier to trade. Just call it for what it is. Like we have a lot more edge working our BBGI.
ARBK halted down again. It opened up and halted down again.
Oh my god, dude! Damn. Oh, I should have left some, but God, I didn't. Coulda, shoulda, woulda.
I mean, it's down from $30, dude. It's just heading straight to zero, looks like. All right, guys, appreciate y'all. Join the Discord in the description below. Otherwise, appreciate y'all. We'll see you on Monday morning. Have a great weekend. Good trading. Take care.